So there is a 787, I believe, taking off right now. I mean, it just landed. You can see its reverse thrust is on right now. 787-10. I think this is our flight we'll be taking. Has the same registration number as our flight, I believe. And here it just landed. Probably from, I have no idea where it's come from. And yeah, nice to see Singapore. 787 landing, very nice, smooth, just as they want to prove. And there's a A350 as well pushing back. I think that's to Mumbai. It's going to Mumbai. Right up there, you can hear the engine sci-fi there. We're in the world's best airport right now. Not a big surprise. I live here anyway. So yeah. So just on time, so there's an Air India 787 Dreamliner just landing in. Okay, so the same A340 is taxiing. The A350 is gone. You can see the Staralliance A340 at the. It is taxiing, and yeah, pretty nice. Obviously, long time. You know, like, see on the sidelines right in front of me. Seen them obviously taking off, but look at that A340 now if it's scary. You see that forward. I don't know if you can see the doing, but very nice. LUFTHANSA. See that LUFTHANSA A340, 280 Staralliance livery is very rare, I really believe. It's kind of do like the plane, so yeah, very nice. And we have I believe we have another A350 in the gate here. And yeah. So here's there's a Singapore Airlines plane taking off. It's an A350. Wow, look at that. Look at that, that's amazing. Look at that takeoff. The plane is, wow, A350 takeoff. What a takeoff.